So this is a Longdon Toys fire truck, probably from the late 40s, probably just after World War II. It says fire department. It has not been repainted as far as I can tell, but the tires are rubber and they're very dried out and worn down. This one I can't even get out, it's stuck. But it says Longdon Toys number 16 fire truck made in Canada. So this is what I would call overall good condition for being that old. It's got some paint wear, obviously, but I've seen these in way worse condition. Everybody has. The one on eBay has a little lead person that sits in the seat. But this one, if it had one, is missing it. So this is the Longdon Toy fire truck.